In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a coupon code or codes for Ruggable. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so we need to open up a web page and go to google.com. Once we're here, type in coupon codes for Ruggable, then hit enter, and then we'll be taken to Google search results. And now just go past the sponsored results, and we got a few third-party sites offering different coupon codes. So we got Ruggable themselves, or we can go to couponfollow.com, lovecoupons.com, Real Tell Me Not, Coupon Birds, Frugal Feeds, etc. So we can check out any one of those sites to get a coupon code for Ruggable. One I like to use is called couponfollow.com, which is offering 10% off your order. So these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. And one thing I like about couponfollow.com, if I scroll down, you can see previously featured offers and deals, so you get a sense what might come or what different discounts you might be able to get down the track. So if I want to activate any one of these, I'm just going to click on show coupon code to get 10% off my order. And now I'm going to copy this code and paste this code to redeem at the checkout section of Ruggable to enjoy 10% off my order.